Hit a nigga with a raw dog flow, y'all all fall down, nigga bang bang. East side, west side, north town, hold it down for my niggas tryna maintain. Coming from the bottom, tryna make it out. He don't need help, he don't need a vouch. City of the sin where the pen that bleed is a reason for you to believe in now. I see the little nigga putting on. You been born, I could've sworn I was born with a hoodie on. All black with the axe, I ain't stopping to a little nigga fully on. Drop apples, high flip styles. So let me hit him with a little bit of flip move. Bust your head, then bust your rounds. You better cut the check or cut the line. Coast to coast, spending the most time on the road. Independent living, missing my fam in order to grow. Becoming the coldest nigga out of every nigga that I know. And I made my fans my foes, shaking hands, romancing hoes, let them know. Coast to coast, spending the most time on the road. Independent living, missing my fam in order to grow. Becoming the coldest nigga out of every nigga that I know. And I made my fans my foes, shaking hands, romancing hoes, let them know. Let's spark it off with that heart to heart and we can talk it off. I mean, what? Is we gon' smoke it up? Is you gon' roll it up? Is you gon' show a nigga some love? All my buddies starting to get on drugs. I got high just to get on up. I left that just to get on track. And now look who I get on track. You niggas ain't getting us. Fruit don't fall that far from the tree though. We traveling city with your madam. We had him, that pretty kitty on my bladder. The master of me and I swear it don't matter. I'm a madman and I'm a Medicaid. Elevate just to separate. You couldn't handle the highest. I'm rambling by. Scramble my eggs as I wake and bake. Trying to be better than Hov. Let's get a sec 9 at every show. I'm losing my mind, let me define. Dizzy, never better before. Hippie nigga, drunk and trippy, ain't tripping off niggas.